All right. So here we are on TryHackMe's Pre-Security Network Fundamentals OSI model. And this is layer 3, data link. All right. So the data link layer focuses on the physical addressing of the transmission, okay? It receives a packet from the network layer, including the IP address, and that's the layer right above this one, including the IP address for the remote computer. Okay, and it adds in the physical MAC address, the media access control. We know about that one, or at least we've seen a lot of stuff about that so far, of the receiving endpoint. Okay, so it receives the packet and adds the physical MAC of the receiving endpoint. Okay, inside every network-enabled computer is a network interface card, okay, which comes with a unique MAC address to identify it. So the MAC address is on the network interface card. All right. So MAC addresses are set by the manufacturer and literally burnt into the card. They cannot be changed. Okay. Although they can be spoofed. All right. So since they can be spoofed, that's probably going to be a technique we're going to learn about when we're learning about how hacking goes about. When information is sent across a network, it's actually the physical address that is used to identify where exactly to send the information. So they actually use the MAC for identifying where to send it. Okay, we'll get into that later, hopefully. Additionally, it's also the job of the data link layer to present the data in a more suitable, in a format more suitable for transmission. In a format suitable for transmission. Anyway, what I think this is saying is it's taking plain text and turning it plain text and code and turning it into a binary. All right. So I think that's basically what's going on here. It figures out where to send the information and also changes it from, I guess, plain text and binary to, plain text and code to binary, whatever. Anyway, so let's look at this. So what's the name of this layer? Data link. I swear I'm not trying to just make this longer. Here's the next one. What is the name of the piece of hardware that all networked devices come with? The network interface card. That's not how you spell it. Network interface card. All right. Let's submit them. There's that one. And there's that one. Awesome. So, all right. Now we're on to layer 3 network, and we'll see you next time.